Just let it go. That's okay. One more. Okay. Can you lay down on your left shoulder, left side?
Left side.
Facing me. Sit upright a little bit. And relax, head back. Just let it go. Okay. Let's head back. One more. Hands on the tummy. Just let it go. One more. One more. That's it. Stretch a little bit. Stretch the other side a little bit. Perfect. Okay.
How do you feel? Feel better.
Yeah, lift your head.